In a representative democracy, voters elect legislators whose duty is to develop and implement public policy on behalf of their constituents. In this lecture, we will examine electoral geography. This topic is important to geographers because of the ways nations and states have defined and modified boundaries and have used them to their benefit. Electoral geographers study the spatial aspects of electoral systems, voting districts, and election results. Electoral systems are a set of procedures used to convert the votes cast in an election into the seats won by a party or candidate. There are two main electoral systems. One is the majority plurality system, in which a person who receives a majority of the plurality of the votes is elected and represents all of the voters in an electoral district regardless of party lines. And the other is the proportional representation system, in which multiple representatives can be elected based on political parties rather than individual candidates, and each party is represented by proportion depending on the percentage of votes received. Reappointment is important for majority plurality representation to be equitable. Reappointment is the process of allocating legislative seats among voting districts so that each legislator represents approximately the same number of people. The map shows the 8 congressional districts that were created following the 2000 census in Arizona. They had equal populations of 641,329 people at the time. By the 2010 census, Arizona's population had increased 25% to 6,392,017. As a result of this growth, the state gained one House seat through reappointment. The population growth was unequally distributed among the districts as shown in the table. Because the state's population growth was spatially uneven, Arizona needed to redistrict as shown by the redrawn district map. Redistricting is redrawing the boundaries of voting districts, usually as a result of population change. Each of the newly created congressional districts contained 710,224 people. Each congressional district has the same number of people but a different ethnic mix. The pie chart shows how the voting age population varies in the 4 of the districts. The issue with reappointment and redistricting is that the changes can sometimes change the ethnic and racial makeup of the districts and therefore change the election results. Legislators are well aware of this, and as a result, this process regularly raises concerns about gerrymandering. Gerrymandering is the process of manipulating voting district boundaries to give an advantage to a particular political party or group. Today, gerrymandering is prohibited by the Voting Rights Act, which was amended in the 1980s. The amendment also supported the creation of majority-minority districts where minority group members form the majority in order to improve minority representation. The maps of Texas show the 23rd Congressional District in 2002, 2004, and 2006. The map in 2002 shows the district with 55% Hispanic and 45% non-Hispanic, with a Hispanic voting age population of 50%. That year, a Republican candidate narrowly defeated a Democrat in the election for district representative. The map in 2004 shows the district redrawn in such a way that the district remained 55% Hispanic, but the voting age population of Hispanics dropped to 46% and created a district much more likely to elect a Republican. In addition, Texas broke from the practice of redistricting every 10 years and redistricted in 2003. Lawsuits challenged the constitutionality of these actions, and in a decision issued in 2006, the Supreme Court upheld that the 23rd District was gerrymandering to dilute the power of the Hispanic vote. The Supreme Court ordered a further redistricting, as shown in the 2006 map, to correct this problem, leading to the creation of a district with a voting age population that was 57% Hispanic. Please pause the video and answer the following. Explain how gerrymandering can be a form of discrimination. In your own words, using the text as a guide, be thorough and specific in your answer.